Hello guys, welcome to this tutorial on how to write a cover letter for architecture jobs. In this YouTube video you will not only learn how to format a cover letter, but you will also find out what kind of letters architecture design firms approve. What better way than to show you an excellent example, which I will be writing on the spot in just several minutes. Now before I start, let me first emphasize on the top 5 keynotes for writing your own version. First off, when it comes to font and font size, use Calibri, Arial or Times New Roman and a 10 to 12 point size for easy reading. Avoid using unprofessional novelty style fonts like Comic Sans, script style or handwriting fonts. In addition, keep your letter short, concise and to the point. So make a one-pager of around 300 words and 4 paragraphs. Second, thoroughly read the job description and seek for keywords that are used multiple times. These usually have a high priority to the recruiter. Express your excitement for the job opportunity and elaborate why your skills and qualifications closely match the job requirements. Thirdly, understand the most important qualities and skills for architects. These include, among others, design skills, knowledge of building and construction, communication skills, but also your abilities to use a computer and related software. Inform the reader about your skills and experience and provide examples. Key here is to not only list them like in your resume, but actually provide context in numbers, percentages, or awards you've been granted. Fourthly, find out to whom you need to address your cover letter to. If you don't have a name, do some research on LinkedIn or check the firm's About Us or staff pages. In addition, try to find similar interests between you and the recruiter, because if you highlight similarities, your chances of getting the architect position increases. This theory is also scientifically proven. Fifthly, avoid making any grammar, spelling or punctuation errors. I noticed that many cover letters contain grammar and spelling errors. Use the word spelling check. Proofread your cover letter and let someone else review it. Alright, that's it for the major keynotes. If you have any questions so far, please leave a comment down below. Okay, next up, let me start writing the cover letter example. So we start off by listing our contact information on either the left or the right side. Then we put the date between white lines, followed by the hiring managers and company information. As for the salutation, we can write Dear Mr. Atkinson. Try to avoid neutral salutations like Dear Hiring Manager, Dear Sir or Madam, and especially not To Whom It May Concern. In the first paragraph, also called the introduction, you need to grab the reader's attention. There are techniques of doing so. For example, you can highlight a mutual connection if you have one, bring up something newsworthy, or state an achievement. In this case, I want to express my excitement for the job opportunity, give the reader detailed information on where I found the vacancy, and inform him or her about my educational background and recently acquired architect's license. In the second paragraph, you shortly introduce yourself, and after that you can inform the reader about your affinity and motivation for design, building and construction. Give some context to your career path, but mostly focus on their organization, or for example, their portfolio. Let the reader know what appeals to you and why. It certainly grabs the reader's attention, because it shows you did your research and actually share similar interests. In the third paragraph, you can inform the reader about your experience, achievements or extracurricular activities. Keep it short, concise and to the point, so only highlight accomplishments related to the job requirements. Also, do not list these accomplishments like you do in your resume, but provide some context, so make it quantifiable in numbers or tell your reader about your abilities to work with their architecture software program. Now the last paragraph can be divided into 4 parts. First off, you can refer to the attached resume, and after that you can briefly summarize your core message. Tell the reader what you want to discuss about and politely initiate an interview. Then you leave a thank you message, so something like "Thank you for your time and consideration." And at last, you close in a compelling way. There are various ways of doing so, but I prefer kind regards or best regards, followed by your name and surname. Now in just several minutes you gained all information on writing a cover letter. And in this example I used 4 paragraphs, however 3 or 5 would be fine as well, as long as it remains on a one-page document. You can find this example in text format via the link in the description. Also, did you notice the matching cover and resume templates on this screen? These templates look neat and professional. Matching your cover letter and resume certainly leaves a good impression. I've put another link in the description that redirects you to an overview of beautiful templates, and you can check it out if you want. Alright, At last, I want to thank you for watching this video, and if you have any questions, leave a comment down below so that I can help you out. Also, if this video was helpful, do not forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe for more related content. And if you need more information and examples for writing, for example, an introduction or closing paragraph, then check out my other videos. Hopefully I will see you soon in my next video. Bye!